So, good evening. So, meron tayong balita dito sa ating crypto update today. Okay? Today is February 15. Okay? So, ito, maraming nagko-comment sa akin, kamusta na ang Binance nyo? Accessible pa ba ang Binance? So, sabi nila, hindi raw ma-open ang Binance sa Play Store. So, ito na nga yung issue ngayon. So, ayon mismo sa YGG Alerts. So, sabi, yung Binance has been inaccessible in the Philippines for some time now due to regulatory actions by the Philippine Securities Exchange Commission o yung SEC. So here's a breakdown of what happened and the current status as of early 2026. Okay, so the process started back in late 2023 to November. Okay, nag-issued na yung SEC noong 2023 pa. Okay. Warning that Binance was operating without the required license in the Philippines and was not authorized to or offer or to sell securities, including many crypto production to Filipino residents. So they gave 3-month grace period for users to withdraw funds and close positions. Okay. And then, by March 2024, the SEC requested the National Telecommunications or NTC to block access to Binance website. So, yan, noong 2024, so na-block niya yung website ng Binance sa website sa Chrome. Okay, sa Google Chrome. Ayan. And related pages via local internet service providers. Okay. This made the main Binance site largely accessible without workarounds like VPNs or DNS charges. And then noong April 2024, the SEC went further by ordering Google and Apple to remove the official Binance app from their app stores in the Philippines, Google Play Store and Apple. Okay? And then recent developments as recently as February 2026 show the enforcement is tightened even more. So the main global Binance app is no longer available for download or updates in the Philippine Google Play Store. Ayan. So include hindi lang pala Binance, kasama yung OKX, Bybit, and KuCoin, Kraken. Ayan. So yan yung ating kaya ng maga pag open ko. So subukan natin i-open sa Play Store kung hindi. Okay? So marami nagtatanong. So dito sa Play Store, pag in-open natin yung Binance, so wala nga ditong Binance. So ang nagpapakita is yung Binance TH sa Thailand yan. And then Binance Junior. Ayan yung mga bagong Binance. So wala talaga, hindi na ma-access yung app sa Binance. Okay? Ayan, so nakaka-alarma to mga ka-AI. Okay? So, yung iba gumagamit na ng VPN. Ewan ko kung pwede. Okay? So, pag daw gagamit ka ng VPN para ma-access ang website pero hindi ito work around lamang at may panganib. Depende sa policy exchange at local laws. Okay? So, bakit ito nangyayari? So, ang SEC ng Pinas ay nag-utos ng access block dahil ang Binance ay hindi registered license sa Pilipinas bilang crypto trading platform na hinahayaan ang publiko na mag-invest doon. Ayan, so mahigpit na pinagbabawal sa Pinas ang Binance dahil hindi po rehistrado ang license sa Pilipinas. Okay. Ayan. So ano masasabi mo sa ating Binance? So mag-comment ka sa comments kung masasabi mo. Okay? Ayan, talagang ayaw na. Pero nakapag-open ako ng Binance, so buti na ikuan ko pa. Na-update ko pa. So okay pa naman sa akin. So sa iba hindi na okay. Okay yung mga bagong users. So hindi na kayo makakapag download ng Binance sa inyong Apple. So gawin din sa iOS. Ayan. So anong comment mo? So share mo to share mo tong video para update ka sa mga next video. Okay? This Conjon Bit. Okay? So So silipin naman natin yung ating mga Bitcoin sa CoinMarketCap. Okay. Anong update sa ating Bitcoin, XRP? Ayan. So yung BTC ngayon is nasa around 70k dollar today. Ayan. So naglalaro sa 69 to 70k. Medyo uptrend. Okay. Ayan. So XRP nasa 1.55 1.54 ang XRP. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So matagal ang bear market ngayon, February, okay? Okay, so hanggang dyan lang muna. Thank you for watching. God bless day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.